Just like with people, arthritis is a common consequence of aging in our pets. Early signs are usually subtle, and it's important to learn how to recognize those. What we usually see at first are simple things like hesitance to jump on the furniture like they used to, or thinking a little harder before they do, limiting their use of the stairs, not being as playful or as active. And often people just chalk these things up to the fact that they're getting older or don't notice because we're busy ourselves. It's important, though, to keep alert for those sorts of signs and to try to address them early when they do occur, because the problem with arthritis and joint pain is that when the joints are uncomfortable and we use them a little less, we lose some muscle in the process. And when we use them a little less, we also lubricate them less. And they become more uncomfortable over time and stiffer over time. And as muscle wasting happens and as the inflammation grows more, they in turn use them less again. And the situation tends to spiral and can actually progress fairly quickly. The good news is there are lots of things that we can do proactively to help with arthritis. And the first step, again, is recognizing that there may be a problem. One of the techniques that we will often use to try to suss out when it's not clear if something's really bothering the pet or not, is to simply put them on a trial of some arthritis medication for a week or so and give the owners the opportunity to assess at home if they feel like they're more active. And what happens in a lot of situations is it's pretty obvious. We get the phone call that they're like a quote unquote puppy again. We have this tend to have this assumption, at least, that um, we're just going to slow down as we get older. And the reality that's really kind of good to know for all of us is that age isn't a disease. It does make us prone to certain issues, but age in and of itself isn't a reason why any pet should slow down. And if they are, the question of what's going on is the important one. Why are they slowing down? So, if you have thoughts that your pet may be experiencing signs of arthritis, let us know. Get them in for an exam and let's assess it. And if you want to talk more about things we can do about it, just let us know that too.